In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a digital signature ID in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This can be a game changer when it comes to streamlining your document signing process, allowing you to add an extra layer of professionalism to any file you send or share. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide to creating your very own digital signature. First things first, open Adobe Acrobat Pro DC on your desktop. Once you're in, head over to the section labeled See All Tools. Here, you're going to want to select Create a PDF. This is essentially our starting point where we will prepare the canvas for your digital signature. Once you've clicked on Create a PDF, select the option titled Blank Page and hit the Create button. What this does is open up a new, empty document which we can use to craft and save your signature. Moving forward, take a look at the top toolbar and find an option called e-sign. Click on this, then select Add Signature. This is where the fun begins, as Adobe gives you three options to create your signature: type, draw, or image. For this tutorial, we'll go with draw, which allows for creating a signature that's as unique as your handwriting. Once you've selected draw, use your mouse to sketch out your signature to the best of your ability. Feel free to go with whatever style feels most comfortable. When you're happy with what you've drawn, click on Apply to set it in place. Now that your signature is ready, click on the document itself to paste your signature onto the page. If it doesn't appear the size you'd like, don't worry. You can easily resize it by clicking and dragging on the edges until it reaches your desired dimensions. Next up, it's time to refine it a bit more. Click on the Edit button located on the top toolbar. From here, select Crop. Carefully crop your signature to remove any unnecessary blank areas around it. When you're satisfied with how it looks, press Enter. You will see a Set Page Boxes dialog pop up. Simply click OK to proceed with the adjustments. Finally, let's save your work. Head over to the menu at the top left corner of your screen, click on it and then select Save. It's best to choose a memorable file name for easy access in the future, so you'll never have to recreate your signature again. And there you have it, you've successfully created a digital signature ID in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Remember, this digital signature can now be used across different documents, making your workflow more seamless. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.